What up, Kevin?
Yo guys, how you doing, Paul?
Yo.
I'm back, man.
Yo, yo.
Oh, what up, Bruno? How's it going?
So yeah, I'm back, man. So
Finally.
I've been doing since this week.
Nice.
I've been doing the analysis. It's been. I can see this week was been a really good week, man.
I'm
For
good.
like most of the traders. So yeah.
Yeah, we out. Uh-oh. Hello. I had to finish some food and I didn't want to eat on the mic.
You're so kind, Paul.
Mm-hmm.
Does this sound better? I got like an actual headset.
You sound amazing.
Oh yeah, baby. Do you guys hear music in the background?
Barely.
Oh, okay, perfect. Sick. Okay, I like this. Now I can talk with you guys.
Go back to songs back and give you its name. Oh, I can't go back. See, I can only go forward. It's really quiet. There you go.
Hey, Paul, why do you do the streams if you can't remember the names of the songs that were played?
Bro, I wasn't even here. Get off my back, fam.
Does Rakil use the same like soundtrack thing that you use, Paul?
I think he just uses YouTube like non-copyrighted songs, but when I was doing it it kept giving me a copyright warning, so I was like, okay.
Oh my God, this is a new and improved Paul right here, man.
Alright, so we're forming this bird beak and we got this little wick fill here.
It's a tee off right there, bro.
It's actually kind of like a P structure, if you look, kind of forming like a trading with Paul structure, you could say. And then the next one, here's my arrow, should probably go down for sure. That's what this is looking like.
Hilarious.
So P structure with the wick. Yep. Yeah, that's right. You could replay the stream.
That's it, boys. A full margin underneath that P.
Yeah, underneath the lower quadrant of the P structure.
Dud. This guy's using Pythagorean theorem right there.
Yeah. The fuck is that? That is the P structure, Rockstar.
Oh, that's the Paul-Pythagorean theorem.
Yep.
Ooh, I like that one. That's good. That's good.
It's a what?
Paul-Pythagorean theorem.
Paul-Pythagorean theorem.
Right.
Oh, I thought he was going to type it out.
No. Gotta remind people and remind myself to tell people to like the stream. Otherwise I forget. Yep. I think we could see a breakout. I mean, we're gonna see a breakout one way or the other, but I don't know which way it's gonna go. I'm waiting to see this 2 hour to pick a bias. But if you look at the previous 2 hours, these all have higher lows. These also have lower highs. So I think whichever way we break will be our direction. I believe we're gonna come down. Just I've seen this not structure, but this kind of candle formation on the smaller time frames. And when wicks like these happen on GJ, it tends to pull towards it. So oh yeah, we can go up. Yeah, I think the daily is going to come back and do some sort of wick down somewhere into these wicks. I mean, if we came to here, that still hits this target down here and a little deeper. Maybe it comes to this wick, maybe it comes to the bodies. But I think overall, we could see a daily wick somewhere into, maybe not that one, probably more so into here. Because if it came down to here, that retraced like almost the entire candle, I think there's better probability that it maybe wicks down halfway, a little under half. But we'll see. It could retrace this entire candle. Wouldn't make sense, but it could.
Yeah, GJ right now from 4-hour bias for myself is looking still like buys.
Yeah, 2 hour. If we close bearish, 2 hours bearish, but we have this tiny little thing to break, so it won't be.
EJ and UJ are looking right for sells.
They do.
UJ you said or EJ?
Both of them.
Both, but UJ even more. UJ
Yeah.
looks like it's about to break down.
Look at the 2 hour on
Oh
UJ.
wow. Oh yeah.
EJ is the exact same.
Yeah. I got my alert set up with EJ right now. If whichever side it starts breaking below, if it starts breaking that hourly low on the bottom. Man, it sucks when you don't have both screens and you're just working off one single laptop, flipping through Zoom and your charts. You gotta multitask sometimes, man.
Yeah.
It's the whole point of trading too, eh? It's all about freedom one day.
Mm-hmm.
Being able to be anywhere and make money wherever you are.
Not having to worry about paying your bills.
Yeah, bills are always gonna be there.
Yeah, but you'll just have money to pay it though. You won't have to worry.
Oh
like,
yeah, no, definitely, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
No,
I wasn't saying like you get good at trading your bills. Just like you hit a certain income, they're just like, all right, you don't have to pay bills anymore.
Yeah, you just literally crush that, put it to the side. My main goal is as long as I could make enough from trading where I could cover an entire year's worth of expenses, and then you just live off and have such a great life after that. Like that's amazing. You're basically retired in a way, man.
Yeah.
You look at it that way, right? When all your expenses are paid from your profits.
Yep. You just put UJ buys. What's up, JR? How's it going, bro?
EJ definitely looks like it wants to come down. It's got a 4-hour bearish bias going down. And we did make a newer low on the 4-hour, breaking the hourly low as well. definitely told myself after having like a good NY session, I'm definitely gonna take it safe during Asian session for sure. And yeah.
So you're taking it safe today?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it safe. I want like concrete like hourly lows or highs to be broken before I take any trade
Hmm.
and to like properly set up. Just because I'm following like a plan where if I trade NY and I have a solid NY session, I shouldn't be risking the same amount. I should be risking a little bit less in Asian, but I should also be looking for like A++ setups, not just whatever and just
Hmm.
go in with it, right?
Yep.
That, that way it's like I could kind of take advantage of 2 sessions and still be profitable. That's my
Yep.
ideology.
And if the second session goes bad, you're still
I'm still fine.
Yep.
Exactly.
Yeah. If this 2 hour closes under here, oof.
Talking about GJ, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
it'd be nice if we get a close below in this last 7 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I
But
definitely.
yeah, like,
Yeah,
yeah,
go
go
on,
on, bro. No, go.
No, I like. Oh, sorry.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
Those ones there are just awkward, isn't it?
Go, Harrison.
Oh,
Go.
alright. What was I gonna say? Yeah. The only thing is, see, yesterday in Asian where we closed below, and then we saw it in New York again today, didn't we? Where it closed below, and then bang, bullish candle just comes straight back and fakes you out.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we really need the confirms there, I think, for sales.
Yeah.
Because
For
it's done
me-
that 2 sessions in a row.
Exactly. With sells personally, like I have it set up right here with the 2 hour lows, but I did like an entire like refresh with every trade that I've taken in May. I kind of had like a little reflection this morning after, and what I noticed with me personally, when I didn't wait for the 4 hour bias to change, I noticed I had more losses. So for me personally right now with GJ, the only time I'm going to be taking sells is once we break 136.224.
Yeah, exactly.
Once we get that, that'll give me a better understanding that we are going to go down, and then I'll be looking for sells.
Yeah, because ideally, what we want to see is like a top wick being created if it closes below, and then if that top wick can stay below, then you know what I mean. We have a higher probability that it should like go down. Do you know what I mean?
Hell yeah, brother.
So I don't think we're just gonna drop. We've still got an hour till open. Do you know what I mean? I like it. You know, if it sets up ready for open, then that's a good confirm. Like, that's what I see. Like when there's the most like good moves and it sets up for open, you get a nice bit of volume or push in your direction.
100%.
Because I thought yesterday it was gonna retrace a bit, but it just kept on going really.
I was looking at like the Asian market like around like 1 in the morning yesterday, and I kind of had like an idea for London session. I didn't take anything, but like I just wanted to kind of like map out like an idea in terms of like what I saw and what would happen, and literally in the morning it played out like identically, like it was perfect.
Yeah.
And then when they had that big shoot up, it was like perfect.
Yeah, exactly, because it sort of broke out and then made a high, came back down, tapped into that area, and then just shot straight back up. So it was literally, if you say you wait for the support to be formed, then it would have been a really good entry, or you could have got a decent amount of pips on the breakout. Do you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
That's
Hell
still
yeah.
like 40 pips. That's like
Yeah, it was like it was like around 3 a.m., 3:30 for me Eastern time. When we had like the little bit of a pullback, which was retesting old resistance as new support, and it just after that moment, it just completely shot up right into New York session.
oh yeah. Yeah, exactly. It just pushed the day to be honest. I'm not sure. I can't see us like retracing that whole move that we made today. I think we might fall back down to like 136 and then form of support and pull up from there.
Hell yeah, yeah. 136 is exactly what I'm looking at for
Yeah.
support level.
Yeah, I mean, what I would personally do maybe is instead of only taking 10 pips, maybe I'll hold my trade and try and get the full 20 and definitely just go break even at 10. Do you know what I mean? So it's risk free. But if I can try and get 20 pips rather than
For
10,
for future buys or for sells right now?
for if say there's the confirmation for say sales, I could,
Mhm.
you know what I mean? You could hold it.
Oh yeah, no, definitely, yep.
Do you know what I mean? Try and squeeze them extra pips.
Like right now, from the 4-hour low to that 136 level, you're looking at about 20 pips.
Yeah, exactly. Because if you think about it, if you think about it, like if we're gonna break that 13600, it would kind of have to redo that whole move, and I just don't think with that amount of bullish momentum that it's gonna be.
Even looking at like higher time frames too with GJ personally, like the amount of highs and catalysts that it broke, I could definitely see some sort of pullback, but it's definitely a lot more bullish than anything going in, like going forward.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
But for the Asian session, this is the tricky part, is where we're gonna like get ourselves comfy for a trade. Either we make 20 pips or so going down, expecting a pullback, make our profits from that, and then once we start breaking 4-hour highs, then we can start looking for buys maybe later.
Yeah, we just gotta wait really, because it might, it could go down, but I'm just thinking with the, with what's going on.
Crazy how big of a move this was, man. Like I have no idea why or what caused it.
Yeah, I've actually got quite a good range on buys. If we get above, I'm looking at like a 26 pip take profit.
On GJ?
Nearly 30. Yeah, you could probably squeeze to
If we for buys, if you
30.
for buys, if you what, like get like above like the 442 level.
What are you talking about? That wick?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got my resistance at 136 460.
Gotcha.
And then anywhere I'll close above there I'll take. But if there's, if we start setting up say above just below this resistance, and then volume comes in and we start breaking them wicks to the left, I'll maybe possibly take a smaller position there, and then maybe wait for the close, because then you don't, if it just goes, then you got in something, but if it pulls back as well, then you can get a second entry, and then, if it's a loser, then if it was going to go up with a decent stop, then it should continue up, shouldn't it?
Yeah. No, I see it.
Unless
right
it
now,
fakes out. So
right now with structure is definitely set up for some sort of pullback, because even like EJ right now is looking like sells.
yeah, I mean, if EJ again breaks below 200, to be fair, EJ's got a nice clean move down once it breaks 200 level.
Yep, that's exactly where I have my alert kind of set up around
280.
280 exactly. Yeah. 280.
Yeah, if it starts closing below there, then
yeah,
potentially you could see something with that. It depends, because if the higher time frame, like if this all move was heading up to resistance to come down, or a big rejection, then it's got quite a clean move, I suppose.
Oh yeah, if EJ does even start breaking below that that level of 280, you could definitely see a retracement, maybe even down to around 120, 840-ish level, 880 level.
Yeah, 100%.
Possibly. But we'll see right now. Definitely being patient, not jumping in. That's what Asian requires. That was my that was my little question that I sent to you, Paul, in your IG thing. I was like, a lot of patience, and you're like, yeah, Asian session requires patience. That was me.
See, if you look at it from the 1 hour, it's kind of like sort of closed back in that 1 hour range, if that makes sense. So you had like support on the 1 hour, that candle came up with no wick to the top.
You're talking about
GJ.
GJ. Yeah, okay, I
Yeah,
see.
yeah. So right now, so then that previous hourly closed below. If you put your like cursor on that resistance, and it
Mhm.
literally lines up perfectly for a support, we close below there, that
Yep.
level, then we're clean down to, that 136 level.
Yep, 100%.
Unless we start closing back above, and then you see that's the smaller time frames.
100%.
Because it's either just getting ready for a drop, or we're just dropping to then continue up, but that's where we've got to wait.
Yeah. I've got 1 hour for GJ. I got my 1 hour high set up around 136.442. If we start breaking above that, then definitely the pullback's done, and we're definitely going to probably see a little bit more highs. That's what I'm expecting. But if we break below the 4 hour lows on GJ around 136.225, then we could probably see a better pullback down to about 136. That's the next little level where it could probably gain a little bit of support to go back up.
Yeah, I'm probably looking at maybe a sell stop, because I can get, say, 16 pips with about a 12 pip stop if this candle
From where it's at right now, yeah.
Yeah, so if this candle, say, starts to head down from now and it breaks all these lows here, then we're clean. So I might, do a manual enter with, as if it was a sell stop, with a stop above that wick. That's what maybe I'm looking at.
Oh, that's solid. I'm gonna give it a little bit, and closer to Asian session open, I'm hoping for a solid.
But then
entry.
again, I'm thinking like I said, it might do that. It might do what it did.
Because remember, like yesterday, right? We kind of got a little bit early, and then it did what it did, right?
Yeah, but then we sort of need to like make a bottom wick on the daily to like go, really continue bullish.
100%, man. I like picking your brain, man, Harrison. You're really good, man.
I appreciate it, brother.
Yeah, he's really good.
No, I enjoy it, man.
I don't know if it's the British accent that makes it even better, but like I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's mad with all the different like accents and that.
Yeah, it's intellectual.
Yeah, man. Do you know what it is for me? I think, to be fair, like I've just kind of been watching it for like a long time, if that makes sense. So like, if I see regular things happen, like what happened,
Yeah, it was just like
couple of nights, like I'd think how to maybe save yourself a losing trade. Do you know what I mean?
100%. It was just like my trade this morning with EJ, and I stated with my analysis. Usually, I would wait for like the hourly high to be broken, but instead of that, instead of me having a bit of a late entry, because I've seen that position happen so many times with GJ, as soon as I saw the break of the 15-minute high, I took the trade, and it worked out perfectly, because I've been in so many like scenarios where I would still wait for the hourly high to be broken. I would still get a great entry. It'll be perfect, but it could have been better.
Yeah.
And by me waiting for that, it played out perfectly.
Yeah, no, that's mad. But you know what I was gonna say? I think in we've caught some decent moves on EJ recently. I think
Honestly, yeah, hell yeah, man.
I think EJ like it's got quite a bit of volume, to be fair. Like in Asian, I think.
Person, man, like I love EJ. Like EJ is like on my watch list now, like every single day. Doesn't matter Asian or NY. It's like it's my second pair now, 100%.
Do you know what I like about it as well is that
it's clean,
it's like,
man.
and it's doing the same as GJ. So if I get them both, in the same sort, doing the same sort of thing, it's good. It's an extra confirmation in your analysis. Do you know what I mean?
Yes, but then at the same time too, you're also risking double by taking, because if they both go
No,
sour
I'm not
on
saying. Yeah, no, I'm not saying that. I'm saying if you're taking GJ and you're thinking, is it buys? Then you look on EJ and you're thinking, oh, it looks like it's about to break out as well.
Oh yeah,
it's an extra
yeah.
confirm.
Yes,
Do you know what I'm saying? No, not meaning I'd take both. If I was to take both, I'd only risk the same amount I would have, say, I placed one trade. Do you get what I mean?
No, 100%. It's an extra set of confluence, and that's exactly what I use it for as well. I like that.
Yeah, I don't tend to be in the same sort of live
Yeah,
with
because
the
even
two
like
pairs, because they do different things. They're at different levels, aren't they? But doing the same sort of move. Does that make sense?
no, it does. No, even this morning, like when I took the EJ trade, like I was watching Rakil's stream, and when I was watching on my other screen, it was GJ, and when I saw GJ like going up a little bit, I just saw like an explosion with EJ. So it
Yeah,
just kind of gave
yeah,
me like an extra confirmation. If I saw GJ kind of reacting and kind of going down a little bit, you kind of get like a little bit of a pullback with EJ as well. But it
yeah.
just gave me an extra confirmation that once I saw EJ going up, GJ just started exploding right after too.
Yeah, that's. Do you know what I was gonna say? Did you watch? Did you like have EJ on your screen last night?
No, I did not have it on my screen last night.
Like, did you watch it? Oh no, because I was watching it, and what it was doing was every time like it started to push up, like literally like a second later, GJ would like imitate. It was like really funny. So obviously, if you was in GJ, you'd be thinking, oh, it's about to head up.
Yeah. Like I've noticed, like it's kind of like it's either GJ or EJ. If like let's just say GJ is going up, there'll be a little bit of a stall with EJ, but then you see it going up. It's like it kind of gives you like a second chance in a way.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no, I know.
And when they pull back together. Mad.
No, these are two very solid pairs.
Yo guys, I'm gonna be back in like 5 minutes.
Alright. I think this is just making a top wick to come and reject, make a lower high here, and then we'll get a lower low. 'Cause we didn't break the 2 hour. Yeah, I don't think we'll drop down that entire move. That doesn't make any sense.
No, definitely not.
Maybe down to here though.
Hold on. Yeah. That. It all depends what happens within this little bit of a range right now.
Mm-hmm.
Right. We're in a pretty crucial area right now, and whatever happens is gonna really judge the direction.
I think we can drop down here.
Yeah. I have it set up for around 136 if it does come down.
Yeah, here, but
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, perfect. Exactly.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm like flipping from Zoom to my actual trading view.
All good.
Hands down, Paul, you're the best teacher, man.
I was just trolling him. No, he knew pretty much everything before he came to the mentorship, but he just needed some structure, so we gave him some structure, and he's.
Harrison, right?
Yep.
Yeah, man, dude, he's awesome, man. I love it.
I believe this wick is just coming up to here. This resistance on the hourly.
Yo, back.
It's just wicking up to here, and then I think we'll continue down.
By the way, boys, like if you guys do hear like any excess noise from me or whatever, just give me a heads up, alright? Like outside noise or anything.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I didn't draw these, Steven. These are a indicator, custom session time zones. So this is my New York session, and then the gray is my Asian session. And then this is just a new day. It says daybreak. I don't know if it's true. Oh, are we breaking that 2 hour? No way. If we break up, then I think we're going to go up. Because this will be the first 2 hour to actually make a high or a low since 2, 4, 6 hours ago. No problem. It's super helpful. I don't know, one thing I've noticed is when I sit on the higher time frame while I'm waiting, I feel less desire to be taking a trade. I don't know why. But like when I was looking at the 15, I'm like, oh, if we break here, we could go here. If we could break here, we could go here. But when I'm looking at the hourly, it's just like, oh, yeah, no. Oh, excuse me. That's wild. Yep.
If we start breaking these 1 hour highs, definitely gonna be looking for some sort of buy for GJ.
Yeah, we break 406, I switched to buys.
Yeah, it's my bias changer. 442. Well, right now my bias is buys already with GJ.
Oh, gotcha. Why don't you take the buy above the hourly break then?
No, I know that, right? But I rather wait for the 1 hour high to be broken as extra confirmation because I'm playing it safe.
It broke the previous hour. Or you mean the next one?
No, like the actual like the biggest 1 hour high on 442. Yeah,
I got you.
yeah, that would just give me extra confirmation. Playing it safe, Paul.
Okay. Thank you, Gerzat. Alright, bias is bullish now. Look at that. This is D. Kevin's chart. And took a sell. Looks like you kind of traded in the range there on GJ. So, I would say your entry, this one did close below here, but you got to remember the wick. So the low price made was like right into here. So you see how price tapped into that? Now we pushed up. Kind of like all these candles did. They hit it, they pushed up, hit it, pushed up. So we hit it, we pushed up. So I think you should have waited for something below here. Maybe like, so something under here, under this guy, to then target your target you have. Yep. So, just think you got it a little early on that. Alright, so 2 hour. So I'll change this, preview 2 hour low, so we're looking bullish now. So sell, if we get sells, we'll get sells below there.
Yo, EJ's clean up to like 121460 ish. Heading up. Sort of broke out that little consolidation area. And it's got this like clean candle to the left. But I'm probably gonna, if I am probably just gonna stick to GJ tonight, to be fair.
It could just be going up to grab strength to push us down.
Yeah, could do. But I was saying, I don't know, like I hear some people like the quick scalps, don't they, when it breaks the highs and stuff. Like if you took it on the high, like you could probably potentially get like with a, yeah, you could easily get a 1-to-1 with 6 pips too. Nice.
Yep.
8 pips up. I just hear people that do that, innit?
Mm-hmm. Yep. David, I started using the 2 hour because I still look at the 4 hour, and you see I have this line, so I know where my 4 hour low is. So this was just a wick down to then come up, but so that would make this 2 hour bearish candle a fake out, aka just making the bottom wick as it never. We have technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6. So we have 12 hours of higher lows. Now we have a higher high, so we know where the volume is going to go. But I switched to the 2 hour because on the 4 hour, for me to change to sells, it could technically take 4 hours for me to be waiting for a trade, and I'm only at the charts for maybe 3 hours max. So I switched to the 2 hour. So then if the bias does change, I have I basically give myself more opportunity to be a part of clean moves or moves that make sense.
Yeah, personally, to be on the safe side, even if this does break the hourly highs, I still want those wicks on the left to be broken. That zone around 136,500.
Yeah, I think a close above there would be perfect.
Yeah, to really go up. Because I feel like even if I took this buy, if it breaks this 1 hour high, it could have a reaction point at those wicks and then just start flying back down.
Yep. But I mean, if you look, every time we came down, we got a little higher. So if we look, this was kind of the first time we came down. Now this time we got a little higher. This one's higher than here. This one higher than here. This one higher than here. And now this one higher than here. So once we see some movement above here, kind of making our higher highs, hopefully come back, make that higher low around here, and then we'll take it up to that target that's just up here. Which would be, yeah, so right here. Yep, no problem, David. Hayden, I already have the 50K. So the 50K will be the next withdrawal.
Oh boy.
100K, I mean,
Okay.
I don't even know. I won't even know what to do with that much money, so.
Damn, bro. That's like personal or FTMO?
That's FTMO, yeah.
It'll be 100K withdrawal?
No, he was saying, he asked if I was doing the 100K account.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm just saying I wouldn't even know what to do with that.
Yeah. I was like, oh my god, Paul, damn.
Yeah. I could
That
pay
makes
my
sense, man.
school loan like 6 times.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely waiting for I'm gonna give myself like another month, and then I'm gonna do the FTMO challenge probably for the 50K
Mhm.
and try that one out.
I think you guys are good. Everyone that's in this Zoom, I think, is good, and a lot of people in the chat that send charts. Frankie Hayden, JB. I think those guys are all ready. I think there's more people, but yeah, damn, the
Yeah.
move. I mean, not the move, but a move would have been above here. Once we hit that support, take it up, and then just get break even right away, and if it keeps going, it keeps going. Oh, Mojo got it, and he's out. Nice. Yeah, if I
Yeah,
had that,
EJ.
I would have just threw
What's
that
up?
in and gone break even and held it. If it hit out of break even, just wait for the sells.
Yeah, EJ just tapped into that resistance at 1,460. So you would have got like 7 pips with a 5 pip stop loss if you're scalping.
Yep. Well, that could have been break above here. Say 6 pip stop. You're up. You were up about 11. So. Nope, I don't use fibs. I just use highs and lows of previous candles, and then with some support and resistance to kind of take it like zone to zone, you could say. Got a runner? Nice, Mojo. Excuse me.
I did take buys when we broke that hourly. I don't know, something part of me just told me to do it with the 11 pip stop.
Oh,
If
right
we get
here?
above, yeah, if we get above those, I'm just gonna go break even. If we get up above those wicks. I got in at 136.464.
Nice.
Let's see how this plays out. I'm gonna mute myself, boys. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I've placed the buy stop at 136.530. So yeah, if we head up there, then we should be clean to at least 700 area. 15 pips.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 30 minutes to close, and I'd prefer to wait for open, but
Yeah, we literally tapped that 15-minute top wick over there. If we break that right now, I'm close to going break even if we keep going up.
and that was a big move. Nice, JR. Oh damn, he caught it. Very nice. New high. Beautiful. I like it. GJ caught it. Nice. Looks good, JB. Hi, Mojo, I got you. Very nice. Oh yeah, looked above everything. Nice. Did EJ push up too? Yeah. Well, those candles didn't go anywhere. I thought it looked fine.
EJ flew.
Yeah, so
You'd be up about 15 pips.
I just secured a bit over 1-to-1 on break even.
jeez. Wow. Should have took it at the break of the 2 hour.
Yeah, I honestly, it's just something told me just take it after the 1 hour high got broken. I did and played out.
Missed it again. Wow, nice. Oh, you did the same kind of entry we do here. That's a very nice break of the 30. Stop loss was probably right here. Now your BE, wow. Very nice. Yep, that's what I'm waiting for. Wait for it to come back. Ideally, wait till Asian Open.
I should say this is sharp before we open.
Yeah, there's gonna be a much bigger move coming, I would assume. This is just gonna set us up above this zone. Oh, they do. Okay, good to know.
My bad, I just got kicked out with the internet for some reason. Like my boy's internet just kicked me out. I just got back in.
You didn't miss anything.
Yeah, it's still going.
Yep.
Beauty. I like this.
Yep. Wait for support to form at resistance or support to form. Yeah, at that previous resistance. Should turn support. I have no idea, Noob Trader. It could rocket all the way up, or it could rocket all the way down. But I know there's going to be a pullback at some point.
Nice. Oh my god.
Or not, or maybe not.
Maybe not.
Jesus, bro. This is just, bro, I'm almost up like 1% on just my runner right now.
Yeah, it'd be nice if that would have happened yesterday when we took that buy.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Where is this coming from?
Wow.
Sorry.
No, you're good. That was a
Oh
well
wow!
deserved
I
swear.
just smashed one of my TPs.
Damn, bro, what a move.
Oh wow, that was mad.
Yeah, at
That
this
just
point,
flew.
I'm gonna put my stop loss up even higher. Wow. Honestly, I'm should see, this is the part. I don't know if I should close it or should I go up to 137 and just hope that it goes up there.
I don't know. I think you could just take your profits, wait for it to come back, and get in again with those
Yeah,
profits.
that's true. I'm gonna secure dud about.
Because remember, new hourly is going to make a bottom wick as well.
No, you're right. You're right. You're right. I'm out. Yeah, nice. That was mint right there, man. Hit the
Very
2%
nice.
move right there. Bam.
GJ always freaking does that.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see how this next, see how it closes, because we could, I don't know, it could potentially could still run. Because right now I've only closed like 50%,
Hmm.
so I'm still up 20 pips live. So
Nice.
probably go, I don't know, maybe close another half. See where this goes. If it keeps on running, then I'm gonna see how this next 15-minute closes. Yeah, I just had a real feeling if we broke above those wicks, it was gonna be it was just gonna fly.
What was that? 30 continues? I guess it depends where you caught it from.
I don't know, John. Just made sense, so they got in it. That's all. But this is going to be a monster hourly candle, so more than likely going to see a pretty good wick to then go up again. Yeah, GJ flew. But this isn't even the Asian move yet. We haven't even had Asian volume come in. So this is just, it's going to be a really good session. I missed this. I didn't take this move. But there's plenty of moves coming. This session's probably going to have around at least two different types of entries. When we see volume like this, you normally get more than one pump of volume per Asian session. I mean, nobody missed anything. It's just setting up for Asian Open. So Asian Open could pull us back down to that area, and then we take off back up.
How long have you been trading Asian session for?
Mm.
Yeah, man, I'm happy with that, bro. Paul, thank you for that, man. It was probably a really good bet just getting out of that because it's true. Probably hourly is going to anticipate some type of pullback after.
Mm-hmm. I think it's more likely than it to just continue flying up.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
if it does, whatever. I'm still happy.
There's gonna be plenty of opportunity tonight, that's
Oh
for
yeah,
sure.
especially with this type of volume right now that we just got. This
Oh
is gonna
yeah.
be huge.
Oh yeah.
Especially with Asian session not even started yet. Jeez. I just did like my little like quick like journal as fast as I could. I'm good to go now. Damn, holding that may have not been such a bad choice. It's okay though. I hate that. See, that's the one thing about like my emotions, my psychology. When price starts going, when there's a huge gap where there's clean traffic going all the way up, where you don't know where price could retrace, that's the part that I screw up on because it's just like in my head, I'm always constantly thinking, I'm like, okay, it could retrace anywhere, kind of. So yeah, Harrison, are you still in?
Yeah, bro, I'm still in. I've just closed like pretty much 70% of my position. I've got a £1 lot running that's currently up 17 pips, but I closed for a decent profit.
Solid, man. Cheers. Good job.
Yeah, bro. Nice trade.
Nice trade, brother. I'll be right back, boys.
Is that what you guys do?
Oh,
Like,
we're running here. Oh, damn, it's flying again. Oh. I'm up. I'm up like 30 pips on my runner.
what a freaking move, man. Jesus. Harrison, you still going with this, May?
Yeah, bro. I got 20% running. So
Damn, bro.
I've got a .1 lot running. So I'm up like 33 quid at the moment.
Good for you, man. Applause to you, bro. I should have held that for a little bit longer.
Yeah, man. I just thought I'd close
I should have at
like
least waited for the
70%
close.
at 20. Yeah, because do you know what I find helps me with holding trades is when I'm like when I got the profit in front of me, you have that like you know, a little bit more emotion towards the money. So I've decided to like not look at it while I'm in the trade. I'm just purely just watching the candle, if that makes sense. And then yeah, once I sort of hit TP, I looked at the profit and I was just like, okay, nice. Do you know what I mean? That's a better feeling than that constant like, ooh,
No, 100%,
you
bro.
know,
No,
finger on the trigger
right.
to close. Cause you know, because if I was watching it, I would have thought, let me take 10. But then I didn't. I just waited, and then yeah.
Yeah. So, like, I took like with that trade specifically, like about 11, 12 pips up. I took the initial 80%, but with the runner that I had going, I had like about 1% up, so which I closed off at early. But if I would have let it go, it would have been way higher than 1% with just that runner. But the reason why I closed it was because like I was anticipating maybe price would come back and then I would have to give money back to the market, right? But what I should have done was I should have just waited for the 15-minute close to just fully happen and then judge my basis.
Yeah, exactly.
Should have
But
done that.
I think, I mean, I don't know. Like, I've got like I think possibly my just where I just close complete profits would be if we come up to 137,200.
Wow. Okay.
If we come up to fill that wick there, looking on the daily.
How
I'm
about
thinking if
13700 area though, man? That looks like a pretty crucial area.
um
If you look at the
yeah,
4 hour, if you look at the 4 hour, it's the top wicks in the past, and on top of that, you have a little bit of like a little bit of like past like support with previous wicks in past data.
uh,
That might be like an area where you might like I see where you're saying like you're trying to get like the 4 hour wick fill at
yeah.
about
I just
137
think
200.
Yeah, I just think now that we broke past them two
It's gonna keep
previous
going.
4 hour, yeah, it's just gonna continue that range there. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
And
bro. Good
plus,
for
it's
you, man.
closing above
Look
that
at
support.
this, bro. Look at this.
You still holding?
Yeah, I'm still holding.
Harrison's still holding. Yeah. What a
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's running as well.
So nice, man. Good for you.
Yeah, we're gonna. I
Still a
think.
win though. Still a win on my end. Should be happy with that.
GJ does not want to give me a move this week.
Yeah, I think it's gonna keep going. Personally, you know, I might start pulling back, but
The heck is this daily going?
I'd rather just have a TP and wake up to it hit. It's a good feeling.
Bet
At
daily's
this
gonna
point-
run up to 139-ish,
Oh, yeah, what a
138.
disappointment. Hey.
6% up from NY till NY session right now, so that's good. It's a part of the game, right? You gotta learn.
So next target's here. After that, up here. Wow.
What a move, man. This is a bull market, bro. GJ's just weak.
Yeah.
This is a bull market, man. We gotta eat. It's not even Asian session right now, so we'll see. If it gets up to around that 137 level and starts pulling back, we'll probably still have really good entries going forward.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I completely forgot we haven't even had open.
That's what I mean, man.
I mean, imagine if open just sends it skyrocket, just that initial pullback, and then wow.
And then starts going. I know. That's why I anticipated it to come back harder, but with it right now, especially in your position right now, Harrison, if you got a runner and your stop loss is probably way above your entry point, I hope.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I've got my stop loss below the previous 30, so I'm guaranteed myself like
yes, good.
10 pips or whatever.
Good,
and then
good.
I'm just gonna wait maybe another half an hour, and then if it doesn't hit my TP, then I'll just probably take a little bit more off and then see if it hits it.
Oh, that's a good move.
At this point, I'm just like, you know, I've got a sufficient amount out of one trade. No point being over greedy.
Might be even better. So as soon
But
as
I like it going up. I do really think, because like you said, we ain't even had open. So let's just see where it can take us.
No, definitely no. As long as you're securing profits, especially if you're above your
Yeah,
entry.
yeah. I've secured.
Yeah, this is a bulletproof trade for you right now.
Yeah. Like, just give it, you know, it's more like you've been paying, it's like that little bit extra is just a bonus, and it's like when you get a bonus or something at work.
Harrison's in it.
Yeah, man. I think it could come down to retest that area at 1760. No, sorry, 760. 136, 760. That's it. And then potentially head up from there.
Why do you say 760?
Is there like a? It's a
Using
If
fibs?
you look to the, I was looking to the left. If you scroll all the way to the left, that's like the next. That was my like target level. The next resistance. So once we break above there, then we're gonna come down, retest, and head up.
Oh yeah, I see that right there.
And then if we start forming support there, then I'll be looking to bring my stop loss below that area.
I'll definitely be looking for another entry if we do pull back to continue going up.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could.
But I'll definitely risk less for that one. Way less.
Yeah, it all depends because we don't know how much more it wants to go up, because already it looks like it's, you know, you normally say grab your pip, but there's been so much bullish momentum. I mean, we haven't seen a bearish daily candle for nearly 4 days. You know what I mean? Small wicks. And just But well done to anyone else who caught this trade, though.
Yeah, that was phenomenal. I think I'm gonna just start putting buy stops above or below my 2-hour bias. Buy stops or sell stops.
Yeah, especially when it's like there's this much volume as well. Usually it just goes straight through.
Yeah, I mean when we bought the breakout, what was it, yesterday? It didn't do that.
Oh yeah, I suppose.
Yeah,
That's what we wanted it to do.
Yeah, but
I thought it was gonna do it, to be fair.
Yeah, it did the exact same thing, and then this one did what we wanted to do yesterday, but we waited on this one.
Definitely taking note of the entry that I took, because it's played out for me twice in one day right now, which is really good.
Yep, yeah, it's respecting that 933 daily bullish wick. What was the thing you did, Sahil?
So what I did was once it broke. So first of all, like I was looking on the 4 hour, 4 hour bias, and judging by the 4 hour, I was already in a bullish bias. And once I saw a break of the hourly high, the most peak hourly high out of the range, that would signify to me that it was more bullish pressure coming once we break that peak. That's where I put my entry. Once we broke that, if you looked at the 15 and 30, you could have got in a little bit earlier than that. But like I told you before, once it broke that peak 1 hour high, not the previous 1 hour high, it would give me a better significant area for bullish pressure going up. So that's exactly where I took the trade, and after that, I just started exploding. I hope that made sense.
Yep, it did.
Okay, good.
Wow, that hourly had just as much volume as New York did. Wow. I wonder if daily is going to push up into the 141 area.
Paul, if you want, I could send you. I already made my notes for my entry and everything.
Yeah, send it. I'll pull it up and then walk us through.
Okay, cool. Yo, yeah. Well, it's already like noted down. Give me a second. I already kind of saved it right now, so I probably have to go back and do it again, I guess, if I want to put it in the Zoom chat or for everybody. Or can I just send you the actual file?
If you could copy the link and just send it in Zoom, that'd probably be easiest.
Okay. Give me a second.
Yep. 409. I think we hit 500 people yesterday almost.
Before the stream broke.
What's up?
That before the stream broke.
Yeah. I don't know why that. Those settings were fine for like a week. I don't know what happened. Yep, yeah, I saw Frankie. A lot of people have been using pendings. I don't like it because then I can't pick my stop loss on the current candle or the previous. Just whenever it gets there is when it's there, so. To get on Zoom, you could join the subscription, join the mentorship, and yeah. Either one gets you in, they both get you into the Discord group, and if you're in there, you get into Zoom, all the weekend stuff, the Google Drive, all that stuff.
Sent you the link in the chat.
Yep, got you.
Zoom.
Yep, you just message me on Instagram too, Hayden, and I can tell you from there too. Beautiful.
So right here, I had my 1 hour high placed out. I had a 4 hour bias because I would not be looking for sells unless we broke below this level, which is the 4 hour low.
Mm-hmm.
Once we did break over this 4 hour high, that initiated my trade. Also, we did create support down here, and we did break all of these highs once we did break that 1 hour high, which is exactly why I chose the highest peak of the hourly high. It just tells me personally to be in a safe bet that once we break all those highs being the highest, that there's nothing else that's going to really stop price from going up.
Mm-hmm.
So I took the entry, as you could see from what I've placed, and then I started securing around here, which was about 1-to-1, and then once we got up to here, anticipating a new hourly open, I just secured all my profits.
Nice.
Okay, I'm just gonna erase this.
base retrace.
Yeah, so that was a monsterly hourly candle. Yeah, we didn't close above here. We do maybe get up to that wick there. If we get above there, then more than likely up to here. Mark one more, just because it's been moving so quick. We'll see.
Yeah, if you look at the 2 hour where it's kind of rejecting right now with current price, and you look past, it looks like a lot cleaner on the 2 hour in terms of why it's rejecting this area. There's been a lot of rejection in the past. Something to look at for everybody that's viewing.
Yep, right, literally right at the line.
Yep.
But we make a new high, we're gonna fill that and then get up into here.
Oh yeah, this is all bull, man. This is a bullish market right now.
If we fall all the way and retest here, that'd be dope. Then we take it all the way up.
Clean traffic.
Yep.
I don't got the YouTube chat going, so unfortunately I can't really get at people or anybody that's asking any questions or whatever. Harrison, you still going with it?
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
Attaboy.
if this breaks the high, I'll pull my stop loss below this wick here that's just created.
On the 30-minute?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, if it breaks the high, I mean, we should don't see why it shouldn't hit my TP. Yeah, this could be a nice pullback to continue up.
Yeah, going forward, man, choke that stop loss and trail it, man. That's so beneficial.
Yeah, 100%.
Trail that 15-minute candle, trail the 30-minute lows, whatever makes more sense. So much better, man. Once you're in the green with your stop loss, it's a great feeling.
Yeah, 100%.
EJ is looking like a nice area to retest the previous 4 hour.
Yeah, EJ just smashed through that resistance as well that it formed. Just
Yeah,
broke out.
definitely looks cleaner if it comes down for retest in that area.
Yeah, definitely. If it comes down and forms support, that could be for like, I don't know about London how it works, but you know, could, if it comes and holds support of that area, then you could say maybe it's gonna head up.
I'm gonna clean up my chart and do it up again right now with EJ.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna call it a night here and just see how it plays out. I've got my stop below the below that area there, so if we start to come down, I'll just take the little bit, and I'm happy with that.
You killed it, brother, man. Be happy.
Yeah, no, I'm sweet. Alright, see you guys later, yeah?
Yep. See you in the morning.
Take care,
Alright.
brother.
Cheers, Paul.
See you later.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'm kind of watching the 5 minute in case we break up. Ideally, I'd like this 15 to close bearish first, and then we break up. But if it goes up on the 5 minute and gets above everything, then I think that'll be the hourly pushing up to continue. Moving.
Came back to that area, Paul.
What area?
Oh, sorry, no, I was looking at EJ for a second. My bad. Tripped out there for a second. Damn, man. Note to self: don't drink Coronas before trading. A retest around 136,600 for EJ would be a good area. I'm looking at past data right now. Be right back, boys.
Me too. Gotcha. Yep, we could see that retest coming. I have no idea how low the retest will be. Yeah, Richie, so go to the 2-hour time frame. And earlier, right at when we were coming in, we had this bearish form. So the bias was sells till we broke above the high that it made, which is the wick right here. And I probably should have put a buy stop above here, because that would have changed my bias, meaning we had some momentum to take us up like we did. But that's all you do is we just take a little line, set it right at the high if it's bearish. If it's bullish, it goes at the low. So we put a line there. We say everything under here is sells. And then if we get above here, we switch it to buys. And then, so now we could say everything under here or under here. Anything under here would be sells on the 2-hour. But obviously with this, we're not going to be looking for sells at all. So.
Alright, back boys. Kind of converting to EJ a little bit right now though.
EJ?
Yeah, I'm kind of looking at that because it's just, it's a nicer retest. I like this retest a little bit better. The way it's moving.
Mm-hmm.
It's retesting previous hourly highs. It's not like a big wider gap like GJ right now. That's why I'm just looking at this right now. Might be a cleaner move for a second trade.
Where is it going to go to is the question.
That's it. We'll see. I'm not rushing into anything right now. Whatsoever.
I think EJ can get up to...
About 121, 845.
I got 880, but yeah.
Yeah, around that area, like I have that marked out. Should be nice. But I'd want like kind of like a weak bullish close for the 15, maybe a break of that to take that up would be nice.
That's kind of what I'm looking at. I don't want this one to run up this bearish candle because that's a 15 pip stop. That's too much.
Yeah, exactly. I'm strictly looking at the 15, so I just want this next 15 to close nice so I could get a good stop loss.
Yep, exactly.
Oh my god, okay, hold on. Be right back again. Sorry.
Yep. JB, you can mail me monthly Tic Tacs for your payment. Instagram, William, you can just hit me up on Instagram. Oh, come on, no, don't do it on this candle.
Jeez, 7 minutes for this 15-minute on EJ.
Yeah, I'm hoping GJ doesn't run it up.
Yeah, I'm taking my attention off of GJ right now. Just
Does EJ look that much better?
I don't know. I like me personally, like the way I have it set up right now. Like I really like it. I really do. Like the way it's respecting the previous 15-minute or the hourly wick all the way to the left, the highest one.
Mm-hmm.
I like it right now. So if this 15-minute closes bearish or bullish, but respects the low of the previous 15 and then breaks above that, I would not mind taking that up to about 121.845. I just feel like right now, like GJ could still have some room to like come down, especially with like a small stop right now. Like I feel there's a lot more support with EJ right now in the area that it's in.
Yeah.
That's just me personally, though.
Yeah, EJ could fall to here too and just get to the bodies.
Yep, no, it could, exactly.
But I mean, GJ's starting to push up. EJ's pushing down.
If GJ does break those highs over there, it's not a bad area to get in.
It's like a 15 pip stop.
Oh yeah, I just saw that right now. Yeah.
Not real keen.
We'll see. It's only a half hour into open.
Yeah, I'm in the Telegram group sometimes. On 10-minute. Is that even a thing? No.
10-minute, man? Jeez, I've never used that before.
Unless he meant 1 minute. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see the 5-minute 2 gear jet. Oh, really? It's gonna go on this candle? Come on. Yeah, I don't like the 14 pip stop. So hopefully this thing doesn't run off in 3 minutes. This isn't consolidation, the 1 hour is just forming, that's all. This is the 15 minutes setting up the hourly. Yeah, I'd like it. If this thing stays under, I'd like a break above there to go up. We got open already. That happened already, right? Oh, yeah, okay. 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, open happened a long time ago.
Still in it, Gurgy?
Gurgy, why aren't you on mic, bro? Kind of miss your voice, man.
So yeah, whatever we break above this 15-minute close, if it gives us a wick down, I'll use that as my stop as usual. Otherwise, I'll probably put it like halfway in the candle. But I'm hoping we get a bottom wick first. But 30 minutes kind of about to flip. Let's see.
Yeah, if we break this previous 15 high on EJ, right now I'm probably gonna take this. Sorry for like if I'm contradicting other charts.
No, you're good. Alright, oh, spread, that dicked the entry. That's not cool. Well, we're in it. Let's see where we go.
Yeah, I got him with EJ.
See if we can get up to this little wick up here.
I'll be happy with if we get up to about 15 pips. I got about 8 pip stop loss right now with EJ. If we get up about 15 pips to even a little bit above the highs, then I'll be fine with that. I'll just make that even. I'll be good with that.
Yeah, if I can get a nice 2-to-1 at like 15 pips, I'll be happy. The spread gave me, I had a 5 pip, but the spread gave me about 7.5, so.
How much was the spread when you did that?
It was 1.2, but it put me in a lot
A
later
little
than.
bit higher, yeah.
Yeah.
Remember that one trade that we took yesterday, man? Like when it just jumped up and we took it, it's just like shot back down. That was horrible.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that.
Hopefully we'll see the volume
This position, if it
continue.
gets to my area, I'm probably gonna secure 90% at 1-to-1 because I'm in the green. I don't wanna challenge this a little bit too much.
Yeah, I feel you. So yeah, I got my TP set at 3-to-1. So yeah, about 24 pips. See if volume will take us there. Because here to here was clean. This is just like a wick we should ideally pull to, so we'll see if we get there.
Come on, let's go. What's happening with GJ right now?
Mm,
Oh, it broke all those highs on the 15.
yeah, 5 minutes. Got to close above the resistance here.
Yeah, I'm watching EJ. If it starts closing below the previous 15-minute body, I'm probably gonna
Wow.
close the full position just to minimize risk.
Yeah, 5 minutes pulled back. Yeah, I wicked above everything, but who knows? Didn't close above 5 minute resistance, so that's not great, but we'll see.
Only risk 1% on this trade, so if it does go down, I'll still be fine. Screwing with me right now, though.
Wow. That's cool.
Paying attention to EJ as well right now, man. If yours starts going down, I'm gonna get the repercussions of it as well.
Did EJ dick around too?
It's digging around a little bit right now, but it is like a little bit in profit for me right now. But it keeps going back up and down. It's very indecisive right now.
Yeah,
If it
mine
just
didn't.
get
Mine pulled all the way back pretty much.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if this goes up back up a little bit to like the highs of that wick fill, I'll just take like a below 1% close. Just be on the safe side. Maybe I should just close the whole trade fully. We'll see, whatever. I got faith. okay, there you go. I'm going up a little bit right now. I'm breaking highs.
Mine didn't break any highs yet.
I'm definitely respecting my 50-minute lows, and I'm continuing up. Yeah, I'm going up right now. A little bit. I just want a 1-to-1 with this. If I get a 1-to-1 with this, I'll just close full position and just walk away.
Yeah, this 5 minute needs to break the previous 5 minute. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now.
My EJ is moving up right now, man.
Really?
Yeah, man, it's breaking, like it's getting up to that point where it just needs to fill that wick. It's like literally like not even a pip to fill that wick right now for me. So like, don't sleep on it. GJ should probably start getting a little bit of pump up.
Be nice. Close above this resistance would be great. Preferably break that 5 minute wick as well.
Yeah, unfortunately, I can't look at GJ right now. I'm just gonna manage this right now.
Yep, see you later, JB.
This is coming down for me right now.
Yep, same.
It's funny before when I spoke French and you're like, hey, you know what? It was actually the perfect opportunity for you to speak French. It's okay. That's hilarious. When that big move happened. Oh, okay, there you go. I'm going up. I'm going up. There you go. I just broke the highs.
Mine almost did.
Yeah, I just did the wick fills right there. If it continues going up, I'll go 1-to-1.
My 5 minute almost made a higher high.
Keep going. Come
There we
on,
go.
baby. There you go. There you go. Keep going. A little bit more. Okay, I just took up 95% right there, and I secured 1%, 95%, and I'm gonna go break even.
I'm still in the negative. This should not go yet. Excuse me.
I just went break even. I'm not gonna risk anything.
How far did yours move? Jeez.
I had an 8-pip stop, and it literally just went to like about like 7.6 pips. So I just secured my 1-to-1 right there.
Yeah, that thing popped. Wow.
Yeah, it popped up. So right now I just got like literally like a 0.01 lot going as a runner. Whatever, I'm happy with that. Let's break even. If it continues going, I'll probably secure a little bit about 121, 845 if it does get up to there.
Yeah, let GJ to start moving.
No, definitely. Remember, dude, if EJ's moving, man, you're gonna see some movement on GJ for sure, 100%. That was definitely like the little bit of a pullback for GJ. I'm looking at GJ right now. This should keep going, man.
I mean, the 5 minute made a higher high and up above everything with a higher low, but it's pulling back under that resistance again.
Yeah, but the 30 minutes still respecting the low of the previous 30.
My stop's on the current 15 though.
Oh, current 15 right now. Oh, okay, gotcha. Oh, that's a tight stop. Yeah, gotcha.
I mean, it's
I
8 pips, so
understand.
yeah.
My bad. I haven't been looking at the Zoom chat too much. There we go. Now I see it. I just swiped up.
I don't know what that 5 min's doing.
Yeah. There you go, man. It's going a little bit.
Yeah, it went
Keep
last
going,
time
baby.
too. I thought we were going on the last one when we broke up.
If I was you, like I would just probably secure if you get 1-to-1, man, or anything close to it.
I'm not even up now. I'm in profit a little bit. Jeez. What is going on with this?
Yeah, this might even like stop me up. I'm gonna break even for EJ right now. Keep going, baby. Yeah, it seems like he's getting some volatility right now.
Yeah, wow. Just picked up out of nowhere.
Yeah, man.
Man, GJ, give me like a 24 pip move. There we go. Now we moving a little bit. Ooh.
There you go, baby. Let's go. Oh my god, that's what I want to see right now.
We need more.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm going to break even now.
There you go, man.
Yep.
If this goes up to my target over here, I'm gonna bring my stops up below the previous, like the current 15 with EJ right now. Just be a bit aggressive. Screw it. I'm already break even.
Don't pull back. It's gonna come hit me at B. Come on.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it stopped up my runner, but I had it above my entry, so it still closed with a little bit of profit.
Yeah, GJ.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Be another 1% off that one.
Yeah, I didn't secure anything. We didn't even
Well,
get...
no, I was with EJ, brother.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm saying I didn't secure anything. And it's coming back on me. Wait all
It's coming back hard.
wait all night for nothing apparently.
It's coming back hard with EJ right now too.
Fucking Christ. Wow. Hopefully we keep going up or I'm gonna feel attacked. Wow. Well, maybe I'll secure $87. Yeet.
You still secure something though, bro.
Yeah, the $87 isn't fucking shit. Well, I feel offended. Attacked. That was gay. Not even gonna journal that POS. That sucks. Time is it? 7:47. Yeah. Oh. Cool. Cause TP was 16. That's fine. I went break even. So once it went up into profit, I was out, or I was risk free. So when this wick came down, I didn't lose anything, but sat here and didn't make anything either. So oh well, I guess. How many pips was I actually? Because I got in about, it put me in about here. Literally 1.5 pips from my TP. The disrespect.
Yo. Is my fan blowing in the background? Is this super loud right now?
No, I don't hear nothing.
Okay. You just tripping right now, bro.
Yep, I'm done. Yeah, I have a different name. I am not that person.
I closed like one position at like 2 pips. I was like, I'm not taking the risk.
Yeah, I wasn't risking it coming back either because I've seen it do. I've seen it do this like multiple days in a row. It'll do this same little thing. It'll go up and then it comes right back and then it stays in there till London.
Almost like a fake out, no? Like if this 15 closes back below, this
Yep.
is like a fake out.
Yep. Or it'll close bearish and come back down to support here.
Yeah, I have this one position at BE. It was like a pip and a half about to be hit.
That's
let's
5 minute. Yeah.
This wick is basically where my BE is.
Yep, that's exactly where mine was literally right there. Yep. Oh well, I made, I don't know, probably $60.
I got lucky though, because I took a right here, the original trade, closed one at 1-to-1, and then I entered the position once it broke the 15-minute, because that was like, that would have been my original analysis, and then they came down, hit stop loss, so it gave me like break even for profits almost.
What did EJ do? EJ came back.
Yeah, I made my my 1-to-1 once it hit my 8 pips, but then yeah, my runner got stopped up. But I closed like about 95% once it went up, because once I heard you saying that, like how GJ was like pulling back, I'm like, you know what? It's better off if I just make my 1%, get out, done.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just journaling right now, and then I'll be right back.
Trying to find a certain emoji, but I can't find it. No, that did not help.
Is anybody else's GJ like just jumping back and forth from top to the bottom?
I closed everything. I'm not even looking at it anymore. I'm done. I'm done for the session. That trade left a bad taste in my mouth, so I'm not gonna risk it again till tomorrow. Do not like it. I don't have that emoji on here. That's weird. I'm not looking for anything on GJ. Where? It's gotta be in here somewhere. I mean, today was a good trading day. I killed New York session. Asian session just was not did not expect that kind of volume before open.
Caught like 40 pips in New York today. Didn't you catch like 40 pips in New York? 30? Like around there.
Yeah, it was like 30.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep. Yeah, no, New York was fine, but Asian session made 0.1% maybe, 0.5.
Hey, better than a loss.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just glad I didn't lose, but a little salty. And there's no salt shaker emoji that's
Exactly for the sauce, yeah.
yeah, I was gonna express my emotion through emoji, but I can't.
Do you want me to post what I took for EJ?
I can just pull it up and you can walk us through it.
Yeah, that's cool, that's cool.
Yeah, they don't have a salt shaker emoji. That makes me even more salty.
I just finished right now. Okay, hold on. Here, I'll post it up right now for you.
Are you posting it up or you want me to switch to it?
No, here, I'll send it to you.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, there, I just sent it to you in Zoom.
I see it.
Alright, so what I did here was obviously I had a 4-hour bullish bias. Once I saw price come back and retest the peak 1-hour highs around here, I waited for the 50-minute confirmation to break above where I took my entry, as you can see over here. Once it got up to about 121, I pretty much secured most of my position. Only reason being, from a psychological perspective, I thought that because I was winning from New York into today, I would rather take all my profits rather than leave something on the table. And because of that, as you could see, price did come back and stop me out, which was for a 5% runner, which is literally like nothing. But yeah, that was my analysis.
Beautiful.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you, man. You taught me a lot, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna go come back down.
Good, bro.
Just got back, just got home from work, and I just literally sat down on the computer at 5, I think it was 5:30, and that new 30-minute candle opened, and when it broke, I got in to broke the previous hour high, got in for, secured like half of my position, and then it came back at break even, but it's alright. It's pretty good. It was a good trade in my books. I like that analysis, thank you.
I
Appreciate it, bro.
can hardly hear you. If you were talking to me even.
Oh, am I being, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, no, thanks for that analysis, Ayo. Yeah, no, that was some good analysis right there. I might send my chart as well right now.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate that a lot. Well, you're looking at EJ as well?
No, I was just talking about GJ buys that I just took with Paul.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, it's just, like personally, it's just once I saw EJ, like it looked a little bit cleaner because I made like that big move with GJ right there, and then after that, I was like, when I looked at EJ, I kind of put like my attention towards that just because I felt like I could get a little bit of a better entry just to make a little bit more profit for the day.
Oh,
But,
yeah, nice day for you today, huh?
very good day for me. Honestly, best day in a while, like ever actually. I'll personally say.
Nice.
This looks good. Who sent this? This was AG. GJ. Yep. Same thing. My stop loss was here.
Mm-hmm.
My entry was the same spot. So yeah, we were so close to 2-1. That's what I was going for, but just turned around. So it was either going to 2-1 or 3-1, or it was going to be break even. And break even was the winner. Well, $70 maybe, but
Yeah, that was my exact trade right there as well.
Yep, so that'll be it for Asian session. I'm not gonna try to dabble again. 10 minutes, yeah, it's almost 8. Yeah, so. Oh, I'm looking at EJ. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start trading EJ as well, just GJ and EJ, because they, has a lots of volume in the Asian session, EJ as well. So
Oops.
it moves pretty clean too. It just makes like higher highs and higher lows, way cleaner than GJ, I think.
Yeah, hourly respected the low, 30-minute respected the low. This is looking like a very ugly close, though. You want to trade 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour is fine. I mean, you could trade the 1 minute if you wanted, as long as you know what you're doing. This looks like a fake out to the upside to finish coming down here. It's a 15 close, 30 close. We're gonna pull to this wick and then back down to here.
Wow, what a week this week.
Yeah, it's getting better, but
Yeah. Hey boys, I'm gonna call it a night. Just I'm here with like a bunch of my buddies. I'm probably just gonna call it. All right,
yep,
boys.
that's all good. I'm doing the
Have a
same.
good one.
All right, boys. Good session. Love you guys. Thank you for everything.
Yep, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, brother.
Yes, sir. Alright, stream. On that note, I'm out. We'll be back tomorrow. And hopefully GJ doesn't send off a missile before open.